Hey guys, no need to fear the blue screen error. We have the solution to get you back on track. Just follow my screen to fix this issue.
Now we need to click on advanced options, then click on troubleshoot. Now click on advanced options, and at the last we need to click on command prompt. Now execute this command carefully. Type chkdsk/f/r:" and hit enter to execute this command. Now type c: and hit enter. Now type cd space c: and hit enter to execute the command. Type in cd space Windows and press enter.
Now type cd space system32 and we need to execute this command. For that, simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space config and simply hit enter. Now type md backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup and simply hit enter. Now execute this command. Type md space backup1, then hit enter. Once we are here, we need to execute this command. Type copy space *** space backup1 and then press enter from your keyboard to execute this command. Now type cd regback and hit enter. Now type dir and hit enter. Now type copy space *** space ... and hit enter. Then type all and hit enter to execute the command. Now type bootrec space /fixmbr and hit enter to execute the command. Now execute this command. Type in bootrec /fixboot and hit enter. Now execute this command. cd space c:/.
Now execute this command. Type cd space Windows /system32/config/regback, then simply hit enter to execute this command.
Type bcdedit space /export space c: /bcd backup and simply hit enter to execute this command. Now type cd space c: and hit enter. Now type md space boot and hit enter. Now execute this command. Type cd space boot and simply hit enter.
Now type md space bcd and hit enter.
Now type cd space c: and simply hit enter. Now type attrib space c: -boot -bcd space -h space -r space -s and hit enter to execute. Type in ren c: \boot /bcd bcd.old and simply hit enter to execute this command. Type bootrec space /rebuild bcd and hit enter. Type exit and hit enter. Now click on continue. It will restart your system. So that's it guys, your problem is solved and you are good to go.